Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for giving me a screen. I will present today lecture about structural determination of carbohydrates and lignin and biomass. This is according to United States norm. So, because when we treat by biomass we want to check, we need to check our pretreatment by checking the lignin removal and carbohydrates. The procedure is using apparatus like analytic balance, drying oven, furnace, water bath, autoclave, filtration desiccator, HPLC, column, and the columns. The reagents are sulfuric acids, calcium carbonate, and purity standards. Then is measured by hydrogen high performance liquid chromatography, and these are pressure tubes and was prepared the sample. We place the appropriate number of filter crusades. So if we filter this sample, we need to put in furnace at degrees 575 degrees Celsius, and then weight 0.1 milligram. And then we check this for an hour. Then with this furnace biomass checked after the treatment and pretreatment, we checked in by stirring it in 72% sulfuric acid in pressure tube and mix it. Then we place the water bath 33 and for 60 minutes, and then which we use diluted acid by 4% concentration and adding the nice water. And then catch and lignin and acids, and this is measured about this biomass by 121 degrees Celsius. In case of insoluble acid, we place by later these extras are measured by standards, and this is how we measure the glucose. In case of lignin, we place the biomass sample measure also in oven for 105 degrees, but then put in desiccator to dry, and then again to the furnace, but 525 to 3 hours, not to 1 hour, as in case of carbohydrates, and then we make But after that, we used for this sample put in 4% sulfuric acid, and then put it by UV ultraviolet visible spectrometer. Therefore, we should check it, and by calculation is we first the biomass initial before measuring, before after the treatment, and this is showing us the results of our pretreatment, if it was possible or not. In the case of lignin, it's the similar, but we measure the lignin proportions. This is very important how to measure, because this is according to norm and checking if our pretreatment is very fine. Thank you very much.